Good day, sir, ma'am. My name is Raquel Galong, 43 years old from Kalinga, Philippines. I'm happily married and blessed two children, 13 and 11 years old, boy and girl. My husband is a farmer, 39 years old, and my mother is 71 years old. I have two brothers, and I'm only one girl in the family. My educational attainment is college level, Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneur. My hobbies is cooking, playing the guitar, and teaching children. I work as a domestic helper in Saudi Arabia in 2006 to 2010. I serve one couple and two children, 11 and 6-month-old baby. I work also here in the Philippines as housemaid in 2022 to 2024. I serve one couples and one old baby. My main duties is taking care of a baby, cooking, cleaning in the house, washing the clothes, and washing all the dishes. Sir, ma'am, please choose me as your housemaid. I promise to do my best and duties. Thank you, ma'am. Sir.